Hello, folks. Well, have I got a surprise for you today? We're going to cook some carrot muffins. And boy, are they good. I have already tasted them, and yummo! They are so moist and just wonderful. So let's get cooking. Okay, today we're going to do something really different. We're going to make some carrot muffins. And these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. It's going to have, you can see this, it's got, of course, flour and sugar, but it's got oats and oil and pecans and, of course, grated carrots. And I'm going to put some raisins, but the spices, this is what we're going to do to really kick it up a notch. We're going to have some apple pie spice, pumpkin pie, and allspice, plus cinnamon. So, anyway, we're going to see how this comes out. I think it's going to be good. I'm going to cook it in the air fryer, and I'm going to use my little silicone baking cups. So, let's get cooking. Okay, I got everything all mixed up. Just stirred up the dry ingredients and stirred up the wet ingredients and added them together. And what I'm doing is I'm taking an ice cream scoop. I have sprayed my little, these are those little silicone cupcake holder things. But I sprayed them with the Pam because that always helps. So 1 scoop equals the paper cup or silicone cup. So I'm gonna carry on with this, and we're gonna probably do 9 in there, and then we'll as soon as I get it to that point, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so this is how much it yielded. I have 9 little muffins, and then I have 3 more plus 2 small ramekins. So I'll be cooking that on the next go round. So we'll get this put in the oven to the air fryer, and then we'll check back in a minute. We're gonna start this out at 350 for 11 minutes. As you can see, I got all my little muffins in there. So we'll check back and see how they do momentarily. Well, so far so good. Just pull these out of the air fryer. I cooked them 350 for 11 minutes, and I did not preheat the air fryer. And they came. I used my little thermometer, and it came up to the temperature of 190, which is what you're supposed to get for cooking, bread like this. Now I've got 2 ramekins and 3 more little muffins. So we're gonna do the same thing, and then we'll be finished. And then we'll try them out. Well, they're all finished. And I decided to take one of the muffins and cut it in half and try it with some whipped cream, because I think that would be good. It would be good with some cream cheese icing, but I don't have any of that. These are so moist. They're really good. You need to give these a try. I think you'll like them.